Hey cousins, it's your girl, Loving Leah. My actual name is Leah. And I'm coming at you today because there's going to be some changes in July. Um, so I'm really trying to grow my channel organically. I'm not trying to like pay anybody. I'm not trying to like, I don't know, like it's just sub for sub and stuff like that. It's just a bunch of stuff that I don't want to do. I want people who are on my channel to like authentically want to be here. So with that said, I do need to put out more content and I do need to put out better content. Y'all know my bed today. Only because my boyfriend, he out there. Well, I normally like record and stuff like that. So we just gonna be in here. Anyways, I did my makeup, y'all. I did it just because it's like, I don't know, I haven't done makeup in a while and I feel like that's one of like the things that I love to do. So, yeah, I just started doing my makeup again. So anyways, y'all already know. Got my notes. I got sticky notes on my notes today too. So I want to make sure that my channel is something that like I would want to watch, and it's something that I feel like you can't get somewhere else. I know like a lot of people on their weight loss journey has already like lost the weight. You don't really see, like I said in the beginning, you don't really see them like with the trials and errors and stuff like that. And granted, I haven't really been putting the trials and errors on there either. So with that being said, I am gonna get better with that. And I'm also gonna start uploading 2 times a week. On Sundays and on Wednesdays. Y'all, I'm so sorry if y'all can hear my boyfriend in the back. He is playing God's know what game, and I'm just surprised he this quiet. But it's the only time I can record because your girl got a job. Once again, back to the, I think it's like 8:30 to 5. So yeah, I got a job. That is one of my June goals, to get a job. I'm filming this in the middle of June still, so I think it's like, oh, it is June 13th. So I can't really give y'all a June update right now. I'll give y'all another video for a June update, or maybe I'll just like kind of like post it for y'all, or whatever the case may be. Still learning YouTube, still learning social media in general. Y'all, I'm about 30, so like it's a lot when it comes to social media. So yeah, back to my notes. Let me pick my notes up because I'll go on a tangent. I want to do vlog style videos, also how to's. I feel like it's a lot of stuff like missing on the internet. Like I got short hair and I was trying to find like different like braiding styles and stuff like that for my length, and I could not find it to save my life. So I want to start doing like a little more of those. I only got like 2 inches worth of hair, so it's kind of like hard to find hair videos for my length. And everybody like, oh, I got a, even when I type in TWA, they be like, oh, I got a TWA. Child, they have you down to their eyebrows, it be down to their ears, like to their ears. My hair is not that long. My hair is not that long at all. So I definitely want to start doing some of those. Not only that, but like, I don't know, like I'm very frugal. So I paint like my own toes for the most part. Unless my toes get, well, my feet get out of control, I don't normally go to the nail shop. I did just go to the nail shop, but I hate the way they painted my toes. I hate the fact they didn't put down a base coat and they just painted my toes. Like it was so much that I hated about going to the nail shop. Granted, I still be going back to that nail shop just because it's cheap and they get the job done. But I do not like the toenail polish they put on. I do not like the gel polish from the nail shops either. I feel like it's too strong for my toes. And I don't know if I'm the only person who had this problem, if this is too much information or whatever the case may be. But when I get my nails done, and my toenails done, like I feel like they dry them out, and like I don't know, like I get white strips on my toenails, and I don't like that. Cause it made me not want to take the polish off at all, or like show my feet without the polish. And y'all, that is so sad that like you hate your feet that bad that you can't show the your actual toenails. Y'all, this is my house clothes, so please don't judge me. Like I said, want to do like some more like makeup. I'm not a makeup guru by all means, but I feel like that's what I like, so that's what I'm gonna do. And who's gonna check me? You can just not follow me. Um, I want to post more food videos. I can't cook, so I'm learning how to cook, y'all. So if y'all want to go on that journey, that's what I'm going. Um, More workout videos. Definitely more budget videos. Just like say how to have a $20 day. Little stuff like that. I live in Florida, so some of these things might not be for y'all. Like we can fill up like I don't know. My car takes damn near $50 to fill up. So I don't know. Like a drive to the beach is only an hour away from me. So and that's a decent beach. But yeah, some people might not have that luxury. Um, but also I don't have the luxury to drive to the mountains and go hiking. So there's that. So you can kind of like tweak it to your own need in your own environment. Um, Also wellness. I feel like that's not talked about enough. Like people will constantly say that health is wellness and stuff like that, and they'll say like, oh, mental health is like very important, but nobody talks about, or they kind of shun away like people that actually have like, I don't want to call it a stress attack, but that's what I be feeling like. I be feeling like extremely stressed, so I don't want to like. I physically can't do anything. Depression, so I cannot do anything. And y'all, I am working it out with my therapist, but at the same time, like I know other people are going through this, and nobody's really talking about it. So I do want to talk about that more often. Like I said, those who are for me are gonna be for me. I'm gonna help whoever I can help out on this little journey. I just want us to grow together, learn together, and just basically like go on a journey to loving. Insert your name here. Like that is it. Like I don't know. When I first started, I wanted to be like all these other people, and then I had to realize that those people that's gonna be for me. Y'all either gonna love me, hate me, or not give a damn. So, yeah, that is it for our July update. Like I said, I will come back a little later, and tell you guys exactly what worked for or what goals I hit for June. Right now, I only hit one goal. I have not weighed myself since the beginning of June, so I don't know. Wait, that's the wrong book. I don't know what um June goals I will hit because it's only the 13th. So I don't know what June goals I will hit. Y'all know I'm a planner girl, so I got my little planner with me. What June goals I will hit. I will say that some of these are okay and some of them are not already. So we will see. I gotta still make our July goals, and I need to make a July spread. So I will see you guys when I see you. You can like, comment, subscribe, dislike, unfollow, follow. I am still gonna be here. Thank you guys. There you go again.